A tiny taste of English, understanding, just a sip. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, just a sip. Whether you're at a dinner party or enjoying a cup of tea with friends, knowing how to use this phrase can add a touch of finesse to your English conversation skills. So let's get started. When someone offers you a drink, saying, just a sip, implies that you only want to try a very small amount of the beverage. It's like taking a tiny taste or a brief sample. This phrase can be handy in social situations where you want to be polite and taste what's offered, but without drinking a full glass. It's all about moderation. Social gatherings. In social settings, if you're not sure whether you'll like the drink or you're simply not in the mood for a full one, you can say, just a sip, to avoid any awkwardness or to adhere to personal preferences. Wine tasting. At a wine tasting, it's all about savoring the flavor. Here, just a sip is almost an unwritten rule, as the goal is to taste different wines without consuming too much. Health and well-being. For health-conscious individuals, just a sip might be a way to enjoy a drink without overindulging. It's also a polite refusal if you're driving or need to stay clear-headed. Let's put our phrase into action with some examples. Could I have just a sip of your lemonade to see if it's too sweet? They offered me a new cocktail, but I only took just a sip because I was the designated driver. At the party, I went for just a sip of each beverage to try all the varieties. And there you have it. Just a sip is a simple yet elegant phrase that can be a real asset in social situations where you want to be mindful of how much you're drinking. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, practicing these small phrases can make a big difference in your English fluency. Until next time, take care and keep practicing.